So I just wanted to make a quick video about how to get the topology diagram for for the five models that I uploaded earlier today. So I know you've been there before to the PDB sum tool, but what you posted on the Google folder or the Google document was not a topology diagram. In fact, let me show you like what the real deal is and what versus what you posted. Again, it's no big deal. This is very quick and doesn't take much time to get the results. So as you know, I'm sure you've been there before. So you want to upload the file, okay, right here by clicking choose the file, and then you have to enter your email address. Even though it doesn't take very long. PDP sum requires that you enter an email address. So you do that, okay. You of course you know upload. Your file will be posted here. You enter your email address, and then you hit whatever is next, right? And then what comes next is this page, which tells you, hey, your PDP sum request has been received, and now you're in queue, right? You're waiting in line. And I would say within 10 minutes, you should get the results for uh, for your topology diagram, but you get a result by email. So you get two links, right? One link is a link that you have to click on, and then you have to enter your password and log in that you're provided with. The other link is a direct link to your results. Uh, it's up to you which one you use, but in any case, whenever you click on the direct link or the other one, you're going to get to your results, which look like this. Okay, so again, this is not any of the models that I've uploaded. This is just or any of your models. This is just an example. I think what you posted was this thing on the Gmail. You posted this, and this is basically just a low resolution Ramachandran plot. That's all it is. Okay. The topology diagram is essentially a map of your protein. So to get that, you click on the protein tab right here. You click on that, okay? And this right here is essentially your topology diagram. You have two different formats. You have this format here, and then you have this format. In fact, in reality, this is more what's over here. That is your real topology diagram. What you get here in purple, and you can even change the colors if you want. What you get here is essentially it tells you what part of the protein consists of, alpha helix or beta sheets or hairpin turns. So here on your protein over here, you get to the helices and the beta sheet as meandering up and down curves. So this gives you a map of your protein. So what you should do is get both this and this, right? So you can click on the first figure, okay? So here it is, all right? You click on the first figure, all right? So, and again, you can change the colors if you want. It's up to you. If the default is purple, you can even change it to, I don't know, brown if you wanted to. You select brown and you hit plot. Doesn't take very long. Anyway, you can select which, there you go, is brown. You can select any color you want, okay? I think brown is a little boring. In any case, now how do you save this figure, right? So I did, if you try to do save image as, it'll save it as a GIF image. I'm not really sure how to manipulate or how to, use those images or open those images even if you save them. So what I did earlier is this. I try to copy the image. Okay, copy the image, and then I went to Paint, another Paint app. Click on that, and I pasted the image. Sorry, you have to click. You have to click on the white part, and then you paste the image, and you get this. And afterwards, you go to File, Save, or actually Save As. Save As. Okay, you can select JPEG. Okay, and this way you can save your image as a JPEG. Okay. Oops. I'm not gonna save it. All right. Okay. I'll save. Okay. You also want to save this. I think this is a PDF. Your actual topology diagram. See, it tells you essentially. It gives you a map of your protein in terms of, again, the cylinders here. The cylinders represent alpha helix, and the arrows represent beta sheet. You also want to save this. I believe it's a PDF. I'm not completely sure. Let me see. Save as. It's the same thing, GIF image. So I guess I would save this in the same manner as the other image, right? Copy it, paste it into an image, save it as a JPEG. But if you have a better method, you know, you just go with whatever method you have if you have a better one. Okay. So for each model, actually no, let me see. Right, no, you can. Yeah, I know you can. Yeah. So you can save it as a PDF. See. Okay. What I did there is that I selected right here, PDF. Just clicking on stuff. Anyway, CVS version is fine. You can just click on the CVS and then save it as a PDF. Okay, so this is what I meant by topology diagram. Well, this one here and also this one here. So this is really good data, right? So I want to do this for each of our models. Okay. But what I also want to do after we do all this, I want to refine the models. Remember, we said that we would try to refine the models if we can improve them even further. So once we refine the models, and I want to once again analyze them or analyze the refined models for model quality. And I also want to do the same thing with the refined model. Get the topology diagrams, get the Ramachandran plots, etc. Okay, so this is it. Again, let me know if you have any questions. We should probably, well, we'll talk about this later. I was gonna say we should probably set up a meeting, a regular meeting on Fridays or something, but we can talk about that another time. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna stop the video here.